Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to make cherry barbecue sauce. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add half of a large onion and a tablespoon of garlic. Onions are nice and translucent and starting to brown a little bit. And we'll add all the rest of the ingredients. I have 2 cups of thawed cherries and a can of tomato soup, a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, tablespoon Worcestershire, and our spice combination here. Bring this to a boil. Now that our barbecue sauce is boiling, we will turn it down and let it simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, and holy moly, that is a good looking sauce. Look how deep that color is. Well, we will turn it off and let it cool down. Oh my goodness. Whew. That's good stuff right there. And now we blend it all up. You need to store this in the refrigerator for at least 3 days before using it. Let all those flavors meld together. Oh mama, that is good. Woo!